Hello everyone, this is Martin and thanks for tuning into this week's video. It is called Winner Winner Chicken Dinner. Okay, now I wanted to ask you something. Have you ever heard the phrase winner winner chicken dinner? Well, growing up, while I was younger, I heard the expression from many people. In fact, it originated as a popular gambling expression. In the 1970s, a chicken dinner in Las Vegas, USA here, used to cost less than $2. And guess what? The usual bet at that time was $2. So when you won, you had enough money to buy your chicken dinner. Hence, the expression was born. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Now, over the years, other people used the expression to describe their winning ways and their luck, making it even more popular. Now, I'm using it now to express our winning trades. Let's be clear. If you follow my free signals program, you'll make a lot of money to buy your chicken dinner and much, much more. Okay, so in this video, we'll cover the trades from the past week and let's get started. Okay, this is me, guys. My name is Martin, and I'm a proud Canadian trader. You can see the maple leaf down below here. And I started up a free signals program about a year ago. And if you want to receive my free signals, there's no cost, there's no credit card to give me. There's nothing. It's absolutely free. All you have to do is send me your email address, and I'll put you on my VIP list and you'll start receiving your free signals next week. So I will have a little bit more about this a little bit later on. Let's continue, guys. And before we look at our winning trades of this past week, I want to show you my humble disclaimer right here. Again, you can pause this video, read it. It's very important. And the main thing is that I'm not giving you any specific investment advice, guys. My service is an educational program. I need you to learn and trade properly. And as always, risk only, maximum 1% of your account balance. Now, most of the people watching this program, watching this video series, and following my free signals are trading with a real live account. So there's nothing to fear, guys. We help you along. We help you with the proper money management. And yes, you will make money. Okay, so let's have a look at what happened this past week. Okay, so you can see the previous week from October 11th to the 15th. This is exactly what happened, guys. And before I talk about the trades that I did send you this week from the previous week here, held over from October 5th, there was a buy Australian Swiss franc trade. And even though it won, it actually gave you an extra 20 pips, 26 pips. It gave us the 26 pips this previous week within this time period right here. And the reason why, it did hit our second take profit level. So not only did it hit the second take profit level, but it actually ended up giving us 26 pips more than that. So, and that is why I have the plus sign there. Okay, so let's take a look really at this week. On October the 12th, I sent you a signal. Remember, these are free trade signals. There's nothing to buy. Everyone gets them as long as you send me your email address. Okay, so October the 12th, I issued a buy signal, buy USD Swiss franc, guys. That was the first trade for this week. It ended up in a loss of approximately 68 pips. And the reason was because it crossed back over the DTL line. And if you don't know what that means, it stands for the dominant trend line. You'll have to watch my previous videos to understand exactly what that is. Okay. Now, then on October the 13th, there was another signal. That was the next day here, by the Euro Japanese yen. And guys, this was a huge winner. Okay. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Okay. I want you to remember that phrase. So this won us approximately 124 pips, and it did hit the second take profit level and more. Okay, so it actually went beyond the second take profit level, and that's why we have the plus sign. Then on October the 14th, the last signal I sent you for this week was the buy Australian Japanese yen. I was taking advantage of the weakness in the Japanese yen, and guess what? This also was a really nice winner, guys, for approximately 51 pips. It did hit our first take profit level, but I believe it hit more than that as well. It also hit, it got beyond the first take profit. So we'll take a look at the chart in just a minute. Okay. This video was produced, this video was produced before the new session started over the weekend. Okay, so I just want to show you what happened this past week. The total pips won was approximately 133 pips for these signals right here, guys. And our running total from the beginning or since the start of October is now 327 pips, guys. So like I said, you're gonna make money if you follow my free signal service. All you have to do is send me your email and I'll send you the free signals when I do send them to you. Okay, so that's it. That's the running total. So things are looking pretty good. Okay, now let's get on to the first trade. Again, I just want to review the buy Australian Swiss franc. Okay, and let's take a look at the chart. There it is, guys. Okay, so here you can see we got in right there, and I'm going to use my pointer. So we got in right back then. So this is way back in October the 4th at the end of this candle, guys. These are daily candles. Each candle represents 1 day's worth of price movement. We're not trading intraday. We're not scalping, guys. We're trading end of day, and that means you always wait till the end, to the candle closes at the end of the trading session. We are in the Eastern time zone, same time zone as New York City. I'm right here in the Toronto area, Toronto, Canada, and each candle closes at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the New York time zone. Okay, so there you go. We got in right there. Price went down, back a little bit, went up, down, up. It kept going up. Here is the resistance, the near resistance zone, guys. And that was one of my previous videos. I said that when you're in a good trend and in a strong trend, price will often power through resistance. Other online gurus and everyone else who wants to teach you on the internet, they're teaching you reversals, right? So what they're saying, guys, they're saying when you hit a resistance area, expect price to go back down, and they want you to take reversal trades. And guess what? If you did that, you would be a loser, because in this case, price kept going and powering right through the resistance, and it seems to be going higher. So not only did it hit, this price hit our first take profit, 0.6792, right there, guys, and right there with the same, on that same candle, it hit our second profit, and now it's gone beyond that. So great trade. Congrats to all of you who held on to this trade, took the trade, and believed in the free signals program, because like I said, most of them are winners. There are some losses, but there are mostly winners. Okay, so let's continue on to the next trade, guys. And this is the very first trade I sent you this past week. Buy USD Swiss franc, and you can see, guys, we got in, the entry was 0.9305. We got in right there at the end of this big white candle, and big disappointment. The next day it completely reversed. It reversed and closed beyond this DTL line. So again, this DTL line is simply a 21 moving average, 21 EMA. Okay, so when price crosses and closes beyond the 21 EMA, or the DTL line, as I call it, the dominant trend line, then we automatically close our trade. Okay. And the reason we do this is because we want to prevent price from going down further and incurring further losses. So one of the first and biggest rules in trading is we want to limit our loss. Okay. Always limit your loss. Always look after your money first. That's the most important rule in trading. Okay, so this was a loss, and let's continue, guys, with our next trade. Okay, and let me bring that up now. It's the buy euro Japanese yen. Oh, by the way, when I do send you an email with the free trade signal, this is what it looks like here. You can read this if you want. So it's a new signal, buy euro Japanese yen. This was sent on October the 13th. Okay, and I give you the entry here, 131.25. You can see that right there in the blue. I give you the stop loss, 130.31. Here's the stop loss. I give you the first profit target and the second take profit targets. I give you all that information in the email, the free signal. All you have to do, guys, is follow my instructions and take the trade. And don't skip out trades. Don't try to forecast which trades are going to be better for you or not. Like, don't do that, guys. Don't try to pick and choose, because the odd one you don't pick may be the biggest winner in a long time. Okay, and this was one of those huge monster wins. So again, winner, winner, chicken dinner. So here's the entry, guys. I just want to show you. Let me get the proper tool out. There's the entry right there at the close of this candle. Okay, then the next day price really went up, priced and went up, really up higher, and it's shooting and just bulldozing right through the resistance. You can see also right here, guys. You can see right here, here's a resistance. Take a look to your left, okay? So it's a resistance zone, and with this big, huge momentum candle, guys, price just goes right through resistance, and the online gurus want you to take a trade the opposite way. Again, taking a sell trade here or parking a sell order here would have gotten you into deep trouble. And look at that, price just went right up, and you would have lost a lot of money with a sell trade. So, this is what I'm trying to teach you. I'm trying to teach you to trade correctly. And in one of my videos, I said that in a strong trending pattern, price will often power through resistance or support zones, right? In a strong trending pattern. So please be aware that you cannot count on resistance and support as areas of blockages or reversal areas. It doesn't work in good trending patterns. Okay, so that's what happened here, guys. And not only did it hit you can see the first take profit, the second take profit, but actually went beyond. Okay, let me take that off. So you see price actually went beyond the second take profit and closed right there. So this is where you would have made 122 pips or whatever I mentioned already. So great trade. Congrats for taking it. Congrats for following my system and taking my instructions on the trade. So that's good news. And now let's get on to the next trade. Okay, and this one is the buy Audi Japanese yen. It was the last trade signal for last week. And again, guys, let's take a look here. We got in at the entry 84.29. Okay, right about there at the close of that candle. The price went up higher, and this is an older chart that I took a screen capture. It's not live, guys. So it shows going up to and hitting the first take profit target of 84.82. Okay, and by the way, another rule is, and I forgot to mention it on the other previous winner, when price hits the first take profit target, guys, you've got to move your stop. In this case, the original stop loss, 83.25, move it up to just above break even here. Break even is the entry point the entry that I give you in this case, 84.29. So move your stop loss just a few pips above that. And if price now continues going down, it'll stop you out. But you're in a free trade. You can't lose any money, guys, because you're protecting your money. This is called money management. In the meantime, though, price has actually gone higher, and like on a live chart, if you look right now, price has actually gone even higher than this. Okay, so you're in a winning trade, guys. Just move your stop loss higher to above the break even, which is called or the original entry, and or wherever you entered, I guess. Okay, because some of you may be entering at a different level than I do. So just move your stop loss higher than that, and just you don't. There's no more worries now. You can sit down, watch TV, spend some time with your family. You don't have to keep watching your charts because you're in a free trade. You can't lose any more money. You've made some money on your first position. If you followed my trading instructions, you always open up each trade with two positions. The first position, you have the first take profit target already set, so it automatically the trade is closed in profit, and your second position, which you also opened up at 84.29 or whatever level it was that you opened up, it's now you're letting it run toward the second position and even higher. Okay, so again, congrats on this. Keep the trade open, your second position at least. Buy, and that's the buy Australian dollar, Japanese yen. So congrats for all of you who took this trade as well. So let's continue, guys. And here's the lesson, guys. And you're going to be really happy with this, and I'll tell you why in a minute. I want you to remember the phrase. Now, on October 14th, for all of you who are on my VIP list, I sent all of you an email with the next trade setup, right? The next free trade signal. I commented about the previous winning signal from October 13th, which ended up being a huge winner. At the time, during the email or in the email, I said it's really yummy. Well, now you know why I said what I did, and it's because of the expression again, winner, winner, chicken dinner. This is what I'm giving you guys when you follow my program, okay? So enjoy the wins when they happen, celebrate with a chicken dinner, and remember, and always remember the phrase, winner, winner, chicken dinner. Try saying it. I think you'll really enjoy it. And that's it, guys. There's no further lesson than that. It's a short video, okay? My free trade signals give you a lot more wins than losses. Just to be clear, expect some losses, and if you can handle them, you'll become a much stronger and smarter trader. I guarantee you that, guys. So you got to learn to handle the losses, but with our program, there's a lot more wins than losses. Keep that in mind. And if you want to receive my signals, guys, I want you to send me an email. So you can send me an email, and there's no cost, there's no credit card. I mean, there's no obligation at all. I'll send you every single free signal that I personally take, and it's important for you to know that. I'm not just, giving you a bunch of signals. I actually take every signal that I send out. And guys, I'm making a lot of money, and that you will as long as you follow my program. So what you do, send me your email address. Let me know your first name, okay, and where you're from, like what country you're from. That's important, okay? And I'll put you on my VIP list. So you can send your email to mine right here, mskyj007 at gmail.com. Again, it's mskyj007 at gmail.com. Guys, take care. And again, this is me. Cheers from Canada. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Click on the bell that gets the YouTube videos right into your email box, okay? And if you got a comment, you can place a comment below the video. Guys, I will reply back. It's always nice to hear from you. And as always, please hit the like button. Click on the like button because it tells me that I'm doing a good job, and I want to continue providing my education and my free winning signals. So again, winner, winner, chicken dinner. Bye for now, and we'll see you in the next video.